Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue our work. So where were we last time? So from polygons to a circle, lesson 30. Okay, so last time we learned that we can draw a kind of very similar circle, polygon circle, using increasing the number of vertices in a polygon, like 26 or 30. And then we define a function p circle to draw a circle having its center at xy and with radius r. So then drew concentric circles. So homework, color them like a rainbow. Okay, let's try that. Let's quickly try that and go on to today's work. Rainbow. You know, how many colors does a rainbow have? In Japan, it had 7 colors, but I know it's in some other countries like US, it has 6 colors. So maybe I will go for that. So open E3, connect, and people install. In the meantime, go down and let's check what we did last time. So starting from these various polygons, we then successfully draw a circle, almost circle, and then concentric circle. So let's paint them with color. So to do that, let's use this, let's copy this. Yeah, right. We need to have this. So let's use this box. So here, maybe what we can do is define a list of colors, say colors equals, say, maybe we can write it colors, like starting from red. What's next? Yellow, maybe? What's next? Green? Maybe cyan. And then, for example, blue or indigo, magenta, or purple. Let's try this. I don't know. This is true in what you learned, but anyway, let's try this. And here, we use a list of colors, for example, these 6 colors, and then paint them using T10 color or color, the same as this. So maybe we don't need this. Well, okay. And then color this according to colors. So we use this I for running variables and take a module out of len colors so that it will always come between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Any number in turn changes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then goes back to 0 again. Okay? I hope you will understand this, right? Just make sure. Let's check that. So, for example, if we change for I in range, today, like 10, yeah. So print colors I percentage len colors. Yeah, this will print out each colors. Sorry, this was wrong. What's wrong? I need to close it. Okay. Still, colors is not defined. I didn't define it. So maybe we can copy and define it here. So that in the next round, we can use it. Okay, so let's paint here and let's run it. So, okay. red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, magenta, red, green. Okay, so it's like this. So we don't need it anymore. Okay, so let's run it. Something is wrong. Again, polygon is not defined. Sorry, we needed polygon. So to avoid that, copy this and paste it here just before the P circle. Okay. So red, yellow, very slow, green, cyan, blue, magenta, red. Okay. If your six rainbow color is different from this one, please change it to as you like. Okay, let's go on to today's work. So let's see. Drawing a colorful spiral. Good. How can we draw a spiral as this? Okay. A little different from the previous one. Last one was like this, and this one is a spiral. Okay, let's first try to draw this shape. How can we do this? Stop the video and think about it, and if you can try yourself to draw this one all in blue. Okay, were you able to do it? Define a half P circle. Actually, the trick is draw a half circle, increase a radius a little, draw a half circle, increase again, R, increase, and drawing half by half. That's a trick. So let's just copy the last part. Copy it here. And before that, let's define a half P circle function. So copy P circle, and let's call it half P circle. So going to x plus r plus y and polygon n. So, okay, again, polygon needs to be half polygon. Let's see. Maybe we can copy this trick here and paste it here. Okay. So maybe instead of polygon, we can do this. Okay, so let's comment this out. And instead, we can do, so this should be n. Okay, so what we want is half n, half of n, and doing this as this length, right? And this should be n. I think this is just half what polygon does. Okay, let's define it and see. Instead of calling P circle, maybe we can call half circle. And then increase R by, say, 2, 3. And do it, say, 20 times instead of 8. Let's try this. By the way, I said we don't need to change colors. So why don't we try this? Okay, let's draw it in blue. One single color, okay? It doesn't work. What's wrong? Maybe we forgot to pen down. Okay, so let's comment out pen up. Okay, let's try this. Again, what's wrong? Half P circle is pen up. Why did I pen up? Ah, I see. Okay, here I need to pen down. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Ah, this is wrong. Okay, so maybe after drawing, we need to go back to the original position. The same position. So maybe we can do like, we don't need to change position here. Okay. Ah, I see. Okay, so let's call it only once in the beginning. I see. Okay, let's do like this. Let's go back to T up, and then go back to the center. I think this will work. Okay, let's try this. No. Did I run this? Maybe we need to forget about the position. So let's delete this. Let's delete this because we need only once. Then continue drawing. Okay. So we don't need this actually. Just go on drawing half by half. And then what we need is we go to 400 and 200 only in the beginning. So pen up, go to, okay, that's right. Okay, pen up, go to 400, 200. Okay. Go to plus R. And then pen down and start writing continuously. Okay, let's try this. Half P circle. Okay, I changed this. Okay. Good, good. So maybe the increment is too small. So let's change this to 5. And let's change this to 10. And okay, let's try this. Good, good. So this is what we wanted. Okay. Good. Okay. Maybe too dense. Maybe we can use thicker pen so that we can change colors later. And then also start from 10, but increment should be like 8. This can be only 15 or something like that. And then, okay, I think this is good enough. So what's next? Draw a spiral. Okay, we did it. Half P circle function, and then drew a spiral. Paint half P circle with different colors. So it's like the same. So we can use this. We can use the changing colors for each eye and see how it looks like. Red, yellow, okay, green. Okay, this is good enough. Half changing colors every half circle. Okay, good enough. But actually what we want, it's like this. How can we do this? We need to change colors for each small forward of the polygon. Okay, this is interesting. Actually, we can do this using global variables because we want to keep a single variable going up. So to do that, we need to use colors, say color pointer, color index, starting from 0, and we don't need this. Then we want to increment, use color, pen color, okay, pen color, with call I, okay, for colors, call I divided by, sorry, percentage, then colors. Okay, actually, this will change colors every time I do it. And in that case, and then increment call I by 1. This case, call I will be incremented every time a forward is called. But in this case, we want to use call I continuously in and out the function throughout all the process. So in that case, we need to use global call I. Okay, let's call this and see how we can, what kind of result we have. Okay. Turtle is changing colors very frequently. Very good. So this is what we wanted. So, you know, the color change sequence is all the same. After magenta comes red. And this is what we wanted. A bit different from this one, but it's almost good. Maybe we can use orange to make it 7 colors between, say, red and yellow, but that's a very different, small difference. Maybe we can put orange here to make it 7 colors instead of 6. Okay, so anyway, this is what we want. To use a variable throughout the process, in or out of the function, we need to declare it as global variable using global declaration. Okay. I hope you, I will come back to this sometimes later, but I hope you will learn that this kind of global variable declaration. Okay, that's all for today. We have no homework today. So I hope you will come back for another lesson next time. Okay, bye-bye.